Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, everyone. I'm Miles Blake, a Salesforce consultant at SOLVD.cloud, where our mission is to help businesses unlock the full potential of Salesforce and other technologies using artificial intelligence and automation tools. One of the questions we hear the most often is, how can I use AI to code effectively? Today, I'll walk you through how AI can supercharge your prototyping and development processes, while also sharing best practices that ensure quality, security, and long-term success. When used correctly, AI can drastically accelerate development by streamlining three key areas: code generation, testing, and design. Instead of spending hours writing boilerplate code, AI-powered tools can generate complete snippets, templates, or even full applications in just minutes by interpreting your requirements in plain language. These same tools can also create unit, regression, and integration tests automatically, catching issues early before they snowball into larger problems. Beyond code, AI can draft wireframes, design alternatives, and even create interactive prototypes. All of these help your team align faster and explore more ideas in less time. While this speed is extremely exciting, it's crucial to remember that AI is not a replacement for human oversight. Think of it as a brilliant assistant that still requires you to guide, verify, and improve its work. So what does effective use of AI for coding actually look like? First, you'll want to frame each task clearly, providing AI with a short, detailed brief, which includes your goals, inputs, outputs, constraints, and edge cases, dramatically increases the quality of the AI's output. Next, when prompting AI, include specific context like your programming language, framework version, coding standards, and even examples of expected output. This ensures the generated code is relevant and structured in a way your team can immediately use. Instead of asking for large, monolithic solutions, request modular components, services, models, tests, and documentation, so you can review each part individually and catch errors before they compound. This modular approach not only improves accuracy, but also keeps your developers engaged in the critical thinking process. This brings us to the most important point. Human review is non-negotiable. Even the most advanced AI tools cannot fully understand your organization's unique business logic, security requirements, or performance constraints. Every piece of AI-generated code must be reviewed by experienced developers to ensure alignment, quality, and security. Run the code through linters, static analysis tools, and security scanners. Pair that with peer reviews to validate that the logic is correct, the naming is clear, the code handles edge cases, and it truly fits into your larger architecture. Without this important layer of human oversight, you risk introducing bugs, vulnerabilities, or even misaligned features into your product. Once the code has been generated and reviewed, testing becomes the next safeguard. AI can quickly draft tests, but it's your job to harden them by adding negative cases, boundary conditions, and performance checks. You'll also need to ensure the tests account for industry or platform-specific constraints, whether that's Salesforce governor limits, API throttling, or compliance regulations in your specific industry. These tests should always be integrated into a CI/CD pipeline, where builds, tests, and code quality checks run automatically, but no code merges without final human approval. In addition to testing, documentation is another area where AI can help. Again, human refinement is key. AI can produce README files, explain assumptions, and summarize configurations, but developers should add context around why certain design choices were made. This why is invaluable for long-term maintainability and ensures future team members understand the reasoning behind the code. Finally, it's important to uphold best practices when integrating AI into your workflow. For example, never paste sensitive data like API keys into prompts. Always check that the generated solutions adhere to security and compliance standards, and rotate tasks so that your developers maintain and sharpen their core coding skills instead of becoming overly reliant on AI. In conclusion, AI can absolutely transform the way you code, compressing days of work into hours and opening up new creative possibilities. But the real key to using AI effectively lies in how you integrate it. Use it to handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so you and your team can focus on innovation, design, and strategy. Always combine the speed of AI with the discernment of human expertise, because effective coding isn't always just about moving faster. It's about building smarter, safer, and more resilient solutions. At Solved.cloud, we believe AI should amplify human creativity and not replace it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful insights. If you'd like to learn about how AI can be responsibly integrated into your business, sign up for one of our live AI webinars or book a discovery call with our expert consultants at www.solved.cloud. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.